And we're back with another PicoCTF challenge, this time patchme.py, a reverse engineering challenge. Description: can you get the flag, run this Python program in the same directory as this encrypted flag? Alright, so let's go ahead, open a terminal, and let's try running this. So we'll say Python 3, patchme.py, enter the correct flag, which obviously I don't know. So let's go ahead and let's open VS Code and take a look at what the code looks like. So at the very top we have an XOR that's happening between a secret and a key. And then as we go down, we can see the flag is being opened and read. And we have a simple check on user password. And if we pass that check, then we XOR and we end up with the decrypted flag. All right, so easy enough. So multiple ways to do this. And on simple challenges, I like to show more than one. So let's go ahead and let's try running it again. Oops, not what I was looking to do. Actually, I'm going to do the terminal down here. It'll just make life easier. All right, so Python 3, patchme, enter the correct flag. So you could definitely copy and paste these values. This isn't what it was really calling for though. It wanted us to patch it, and we'll do that in a second. But I just want to show you this is a quick and easy solution. Perfect, we get our flag. So patching is just making modifications to a program. In this case, we want to end up inside this if statement. So why don't we eliminate the if statement and just perform the decryption regardless of what happens. Oh, and annoyingly, we still read input. But we could even eliminate that. So let's do that. Perfect. And so one last thing I want to show you, just because it's nice. We can see that this is an XOR of the encrypted flag with the password utilitarian. It would be nice to work around that, not even have to deal with the Python. A way we could do that is with Cyberchef. So if we were to bring up Cyberchef, what we want to do is we want to do an XOR of this with the word utilitarian. Unfortunately, this is hard since it's binary input to copy and paste. It won't work because we have all this stuff that's unprintable. So what we need to do is base 64 encode, and that'll put it in an entirely printable character set. The way we can do that is by doing a cat of the encrypted flag and then piping it to base 64. And now you can see we have all these values, and this represents this flag in a different encoding. So if we were to go over here, we'll do a from base 64. And that looks pretty close, right? You know, it's going to always look a little different. So we've got our input, and now the next step, we're just building up a chain of operations, is we want to perform an XOR. And the key is there's no way I'm going to be able to spell that correctly. Let's go ahead and go back here. Utilitarian. And it is a UTF format. So there you can see we run through these two code blocks and we end up at the flag. So I just want to show you multiple ways that you could go about this, because tools like Cyberchef are very powerful, and they can be very helpful later on down the line. Hopefully that was helpful to you. If it was, like, comment, subscribe, etc. Thanks. Bye.